Good day, hi, I'm Jess. I'm about to discuss to you how to install WordPress in Windows 10. So for us to open our demo for today is we just need to type XAMPP free download and then go to this link. So under www.apachefriends.org, you click it, and then you will be redirected on this page. So with this one, we have options. Let's say your OS is for Windows, for Linux, and OS X for Apple. You just click Windows here. So once done, this will appear. Okay. So completing the XAMPP setup wizard, you just click this, finish, there. So choose language. Of course, in my end, I'll just click US or English. So now we have here the control panel version 3.2.4. So this shows that we had installed some of the features, but we need to configure some errors here, okay? Next, we will do is we're gonna start our Apache server and then MySQL server. Click start, and then also MySQL, then allow. Next is we're gonna click the admin button here for Apache. This will redirect us to a localhost dashboard of Apache, and then click PHP My Admin here. Now we are in the PHP My Admin. So we're gonna go to database, and then we're gonna create our own database for this one. So let's say WordPress database. And so I just choose the default, okay, for this one. Then click create. Okay, so as you can see here, here's the WordPress database. And then I'm gonna create a table for this one. So I'm gonna name this one as TBL info. I'll make it let's say TBL info 1. Okay. So before anything else, we're gonna skip creating tables. So for this one, I just go to this, click download WordPress for us to download the latest WordPress. There, we just wait for it to finish. Once done, you go to this installer. So under installer, I already extracted here the um, the content of this WordPress 5.4 here, and then select all, copy, and then go to drive C, then go to XAMPP, Okay, then put it here in htdocs. Okay, new, click new. Okay, so I'll name this one WordPress F. Okay, so inside this F, I'll put everything here. There. So we just wait for this to finish. I'll cut this recording. Okay, so we already copy all the files on that folder. Now, for us to check if WordPress is working in our local host, we just open a link, and then this link would be this one. So instead of having this link, we just cut this out, this portion, and then we we just leave the local host, and then we add our folder here for us to run the WordPress. So here, as you can see, this this tutorial will shows you that the XAMPP and then the WordPress has been integrated. So we choose English here, click continue. There, so let's go. Welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information, the database name, database username, database password, database host, etc. So here, going back here again, we're gonna go on the privileges, click OK. There, so I'll just choose the root here, localhost, there, and then edit privileges. Okay, so now we just use this tab, the the user account. We just change password, click the change password, and then we just enter nothing here. Okay, click generate. There. hmm Okay, so if you would like to add a password, and then you would like to generate a password, a random password. Okay, so by this one, I just choose no password here. Okay, there. And then next is we go back here, click let's go. So what would be the database name? So we're here, WordPress database, WordPress database. Username would be root, of course, root. Then password would be no. Localhost, prefix if you want to this one. I think I'll change this. Okay, prefix. Okay, so click submit. Now we communicate with you if you're ready. Time now to run the installation. Click. Okay, so we just define. You always change the setting later. So with this one, I just type site title. Let's say um, my let's say WordPress of Denden. Okay, so leave this one as root. Okay, so there, say by email. Okay, click install. Okay, so log in. You try. So I'm gonna type here root, and then password will be nothing. Click login. Okay, okay, this one, the one that I copied a while ago. Click login. Yet save. There. So we could see here our own WordPress site. So here's the dashboard and everything. So I'm gonna cut our installation. So if you have questions for you to, okay, so I think we're done with this one. So if you have questions, message me. And this is installation of WordPress in Windows 10. Thank you and good day.